Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Then open it and tap Get Started. Click OK, tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and click OK again. Now tap Input Options and tap on the LED keyboard one more time. Over here, pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and tap Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!